next one. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the adding a call extension in Google Ads. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Ads account and navigate to the Campaigns section in your dashboard. Here, you can choose the campaign where you want to add the call extension. For this demonstration, we'll select the Ads tab. Once you've selected the ad you want to edit, scroll down to the More Asset Types selection and click on it. You'll see several options, including call extension. Click on the plus icon next to it to add a call extension to your ad. In the call extension settings, you can add a new phone number for customers to call. You can also choose the conversion action in the track to the effectiveness of your call extension. Additionally, there are advanced options where you can set a schedule based on your account's time zone. Once you've configured all the extension call settings to your liking, click Save, and the call extension will now be added to your campaign, and the call icon will appear alongside your ad. That's all there is to do. You've successfully added a call extension to your Google Ads campaign. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.